Hi guys, today we're going to be playing one of my games that I created. So as you can see, the title of the game. So we're going to be playing ____O_O equals 34 plus 899 island7. You can just read it yourself. So we're just going to log into my account. My username is TrainscoreKitty, and I won't tell you guys my password. Okay, guys, so never tell your password of anything to anybody. Never do it, because then people could hack your account. So yeah, if you're wondering how I turned into this color, well, as you can see, so there's keys to be different colors. So if we go to the assets of the game, there are 20 colors. There's 20 colors in the game. So yeah. This is a pixelated game. As you can see, we have a coins counter. So to get coins, so the arrow key is to move, but the down arrow key doesn't really work. So you press the left arrow key to go left. Don't fall into the lava. So this is the lava right here. And the right arrow key is to go right, and the up arrow key is to jump. So you will want to collect coins by just touching the coin. Yeah, that's basically how you get coins. Like, this is a mini game. Like, there's also this mute button. Like, when you press the mute button, no sound plays when you get coins. But when you press the unmute button, now sound plays. So, yeah, you can basically be any color you want. K doesn't work. Only keys up to J work to be different colors. So, yeah. Yeah, just the arrow keys to move, but down doesn't work. Because why would you just fall into the ground? Why would you want to fall into the ground? Yeah, why would you want to do that? So you don't just click the coin. You need to go over to it and touch it. Yeah, as you can see, the characters in the game are stick figures with different colors. Wait, is there a white in this game? I don't remember, but it's C to be white. That's just a classic stick figure. Yeah, and so this project is the latest update, and this is the old game. As you can see, it's version 2021.05.02. This version was created on May 2nd of 2021. Yeah, but we still have all these colors. But yeah, we might add some new colors into the game. But you need to be logged into your account to play the game. Like, yeah. And I'll show you guys what happens when you fall into the lava. Okay, guys, I've logged into my account. Now, this is what happens when you fall into the lava. See? So, yeah. You don't want to fall into the lava because that, well, then you lose. Like, what if this game was multiplayer? Maybe one day I'll make this game multiplayer. So guys, if you want me to make this game multiplayer, I'll do it. And I forgot how to make multiplayer games on Scratch. So if you know how to make multiplayer games on Scratch, well, you could make a YouTube video of a tutorial on how to make this game multiplayer. Like, it's got a pretty funny title. The name of the game. Like, so, yeah. Guys, if you want me to make new colors in the game, then type it down in the comment section below. But if Coppa turns off comments, then, well, I'll do a community post. Because, well, comments cannot be turned off on community posts. It's not possible. So, yeah. And you can even decide what key to be that color. Actually, no. I'll decide the key. So, and you will pick the color, and you'll need to pick the hex code for it, or you could just put the color effect, whatever this is pronounced, effect, and the brightness effect. Yeah, you could just type that in because I don't really know how hex codes work yet. Yeah, I think I'll need to learn that at school. Yeah. And hex codes are also based on hexadecimal or base 16. Every color has a hex code. Every color in the universe has a hex code. You see this guy right here? He's got a hex code too. Even we have hex codes on us. Now, so if you don't have an account, then you'll need to press sign in to go into your account. But if you do have an account, then press login. And if you have a hard username or password, or both to remember, then just write down your username and password on a piece of paper just so you remember and just so you can play the game. You know, I was thinking of adding levels to this game. How many levels should there be? If comments are turned off, if Coppa turns off the comments, then we'll just do a community post. for that. Because, well, wait, look. You should watch this video. Nothing eats nothing and nothing happens. I'll put that as a community post just so I don't get copyrighted. Just so I don't get copyright on this video. So, watch this video of nothing eating nothing. Actually, if you think about it, nothing is eating nothing forever. But yeah, I'll work on creating levels of the game. But I can't decide. I don't really know how many levels I should put. So I'll see you guys when this video is uploaded, which is right now for you, but not for me. Because for me, I'm recording this video right now. But for you, well, it has already been uploaded. Okay, guys, bye. I'll see you next video.